A potential match between boxing superstar Floyd Mayweather Jr. and mixed martial arts kingpin Conor McGregor is making more noise. This after the brash American champion appeared to be more open in talking about the intriguing bout. Dennis Principe has more of the details.
Consistent with his boxing statements filled with inconsistencies, retired boxer Floyd Mayweather Jr. is again throwing hints about a potential ring return. During his typically grandiose 40th birthday in Los Angeles last weekend, Mayweather in some ways defended an intriguing match between a highly successful boxing champion like him and the current superstar from another sport, UFC lightweight kingpin Conor McGregor. Talks about a Mayweather-McGregor bout have been going on the past couple of weeks, but the brash American boxer seems to be spilling a few more beans lately for sports media to chew on.
I don't know if the fight's going to happen. If it do, it do. If it don't, it don't. But if it did happen, that will be my last and final fight. Of course, that fight makes a lot of sense.
Mayweather, who supposedly retired after extending his unblemished ring record to 49 wins by defeating Andre Berto last September 2015, went on to defend why a bout between an elite boxer and a mixed martial arts fighter would make sense.
It's all about entertainment. Yeah, that can be the biggest fight in the history of the sport. We just don't know. We'll just see.
The former pound-for-pound king even went on to presume that McGregor has what it takes to excel in boxing.
The thing that we do know is Conor McGregor has never lost standing up. Now, we seen him lose before on the ground, but standing up, Conor McGregor can fight and he got power.
Recently, Mayweather said only a $100 million minimum fight purse can goad him into making a comeback, and even made a $15 million offer for McGregor to get in the ring with him. Mayweather's 49th win tied the unbeaten streak of legendary heavyweight champion Rocky Marciano, and that aiming for a record 50-0 mark continues to be fight fans' reason to believe Mayweather will lace up those gloves for at least one more time. Dennis Principe, PTV News.